We're introducing how to connect SaleYee to your Shopify store. This video is divided into these 4 parts. First, authorization. You need to log in to your Shopify store first. Then, log into SaleYee, go to My SaleYee, Third-Party Platform, Platform Sync Authorization, choose Add Shopify Account, fill in your Shopify store name, and click Authorization. Click Install App to move on. When you see this interface, it means Authorized successfully. Return to SaleYee and refresh the page. If the status is Authorization in Progress, click To obtain authorization to turn it into Authorized. Don't forget to sync location information that you've added to your Shopify store and set a default one in the end. SKU mapping. In this part, we'll first introduce how to create product listings on Shopify, as product listings are required before you create SKU mappings. As SaleYee has prepared all the information you need in product packages, after selecting a product, just download the product packet. Open the Excel file in it, and you can quickly fill in the title, description, price, weight, and so on. Don't forget to add HD photos to attract customers. It's also recommended to use the SaleYee SKU as a barcode for better distinction. Next, go back to SaleYee to finish SKU mapping. Choose Add the SKU mapping, select Shopify and your Shopify account. Enter the product SKU you've set on Shopify and choose SaleYee Global Site. Enter SaleYee SKU, quantity, warehouse, and logistics product associated with the Shopify SKU. Finally, save the mapping rule. To learn how to import SKU mappings in bulk, please check our previous video. Stock update. You can choose to manually update the stock if you want to, but the Auto Stock Update will be a better choice. To enable Auto Stock Update, you should finish Update Rule Settings first. Click Add a Rule, and you can set the relationship between the actual stock and the stock to be updated. If the actual stock is a small quantity, the stock can be updated as 0 to prevent overselling. If the actual stock is out of the range you've set, the value will be the actual stock. Then, return to the page to enable Auto Update and choose the Update rule. You can do so by clicking Edit or Set in Batch. You can always check the Stock Update record here. Synced means successful, and you can check the corresponding inventory history in your Shopify store. In comparison, to be synced means pending, and you can click Inquire if needed. Here are 2 tips for you. Please note that the location information is still required here, and you can click Edit to add location information for your Shopify products. Also, after SKU mapping, you'd better wait for an hour or 2 to set up for the automatic stock update. Otherwise, the system might fail to query SKU information on the third-party platform. Order Sync. As for Order Sync settings, you can choose to sync all platform orders or only those with SKU mapping. If you enable Automatically Upload Tracking Number for a store, the upload will take place every 30 minutes. After you complete Order Sync settings, your orders will be forwarded to Platform Sync Orders under Order Management, and you can proceed to pay. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.